go over ocean.
Yeah, and I think this is our first time.
This is the first time?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see what we are going, where we are going.
If you can see the map, the map says we're almost over the ocean. Oh yeah, look at the bridge ahead. We're almost on the ocean.
Look, Mane, ocean on both sides and bridge.
Ocean on both sides. Show us the other side too.
Yeah, this side ocean and then the other side is also.
Ocean.
And this is the road.
And we're almost there. And this is part is short, but yes, this is the ocean.
See the watercolor changes there. See the watercolor is changing there, Mane, green to blue. Do you see? Dark green to light green. Look this view. Crocodile Lake.
Okay, so this is another bridge. There's so many bridges over here because we're over the ocean. And
जगह नहीं है, आ जाओ वापस पीछे चलते। जगह नहीं है, पीछे चलते। हाँ Look at the bungalows. Light की पहले में लाओ था। है, शैलो है पूरा। रीफ में यही तो दिखाते हैं, ग्लास बॉटम में रीफ दिखाएंगे ना पूरा।
Wait, you haven't? Yeah, so there's just came over here, and it is super windy right now, and there's a change in the color of water. Go farther out, then it gets more green.
Yeah, right there.
But right now, it's like a dirty, like greenish yellow kind.
Yeah.
It's not very
It's a
clear.
different kind here, but you see over there, it's color changing water.
Yeah.
ये है फ्लोरिडा, देखो। चलो चले जाओ, बोट देखो कितनी हिल रही है आगे। चले जाओ, जाओ, जाना है तो। हाँ, मजा आएगा।
Guys, I need you to listen to this part, please. Stop what you're doing and listen to this part. While you're looking down inside these wells this afternoon, and you start to feel warm, you start to feel dizzy, you start to feel different, that is your sign to get up and leave. Go outside. Guys, do not try to fight it. You will not win. I've been on the ocean 17 years. I have never seen anybody win. Get that fresh air. Do not go into the restrooms. Going into the restrooms makes it 50 times worse. They're small confined spaces. They will make you 50 times worse. Someone who here on the last trip, you have yet to find them. So please don't go inside the wells. Now, with that being said, guys, there's a party bag right by the doors. If you use a party bag on the way out, please grab one. If you use a party bag, do not try to hand it back to the crew. You don't want it. Throw the trash. Now, enough of that fun stuff. Guys, if you want to take pictures, that's fine. If you want to take pictures, and you can send me photos of yourself, it's fine. And you're going to do a one second for your class. Now, the best tip I can tell you guys is video. You can always clean your pictures out of video. Works a lot better. And you know the natural sand area here. This is called a spur and groove reef. You're going to see coral heads and you're going to see grooves of sand. Now, the sand, make sure you're looking at it real good, guys. And ladies have to throw themselves in the sand. Now, we're the reef called molasses reef. You're going to notice everything that sand does. You're going to go for what it looks like or what it does. You're going to this stuff that won't be tricky. You're looking down at a piece of the third largest barrier reef crack in the entire world. This is called molasses reef. This is just a little piece of it, guys. Here's a video right here. Little spring guys back there. There's a story when you look at it. There's some doors shooting off right there. That is a shooting area with some doors. There's a yellowtail there with this black body yellowtail. These things that look like things floating around, they're not planes, they're a living animal. Those are salt corals. Salt corals grow colonies, guys. Now what we're doing with the main flipping the turtle right here, guys. Look right there, right underneath the glass. Here comes the green sea turtle. See it, kids? Right there. See the turtle?
Mane, look that
There
way.
it is, guys. It's coming back this way. Hopefully you get to see it over here. There you go. It's just off the starboard side. There he is, guys. He's going off the back end, lady. Look towards the back and you'll see. There you go. That's a green sea turtle, guys. All right, that's how you start a trip right there, guys. That's a green sea turtle. Now, he's not fully grown. They can get up to 600 pounds, guys. Now, he was a little guy comparative to his bigger brothers. This is sargassum weed coming in. This actually grows on the surface of the ocean. It just uses the sun to photosynthesize, gets its nutrition from the sun and the water, and actually grows. It comes from the Sargasso Sea. That time of year, lots of little baby shrimps and crabs live in it. But get back to that turtle, guys. Now, turtles are all protected here in the Keys. We actually have 5 of the world's 7 sea turtles. Now, that green sea turtle, he didn't have any green on his body at all. He had a brown shell, brown skin. They get their name green sea turtles because their fat cells inside their body is actually green. The lipids are green, they're fat cells. Pretty cool to know that. Guys, when they used to harvest turtles down in Key West, they had a little turtle harvesting station there where they would process the turtles. That's where they figured out they had that green inside them. That's where they got that name, green sea turtles. Now these things that look like plants waving around down there, those are salt corals. Now the ones that look like